It's a joke. Senior officers angrily mocked Harry Living Legends Award. He flew a kite, not an aircraft. Prince Harry's set to be named as a living legend of aviation, sparking outrage and bemusement among top military veterans. They described the accolade, which places the Duke of Sussex alongside the likes of Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong, the first men to walk on the moon, as a pathetic publicity stunt. Retired senior officers say that while Harry was applauded for flying an army helicopter in Afghanistan, it's his royal status which had seen him chosen over hundreds of equally worthy pilots. Harry will be inducted as a living legend of aviation next Friday at an awards ceremony hosted by John Travolta in Beverly Hills, California. A statement on the event's website said, "Prince Harry's a humanitarian, military veteran, mental wellness advocate, and environmentalist. He's dedicated his life to advancing causes that he's passionate about and that bring about permanent change for people and places." Reacting to Harry's accolade, Lord West, former head of the Royal Navy, said, "He's not a living legend of aviation. To suggest that he is pathetic. It makes the whole thing seem like nonsense, if they're willing to pick someone like Prince Harry. He didn't carry off any great exciting feat of amazing flying skill while flying for the army. They're just trying to get publicity. They know that it'll cause a stir." Meanwhile, retired military officer Colonel Richard Kemp says the award is just celebrities massaging each other's egos. He told The Sun he was a gunner in an Apache helicopter in Afghanistan, but so were many, many other people. "I can think of many people who did pretty extraordinary things while serving in British and American armed forces, which would be much more deserving of an award like this. It's obvious because of who he is, not what he did. An Apache is crewed by two people, a pilot and a gunner. Harry was a gunner. He was number 2 in the aircraft." Colonel Kemp added, "He didn't do anything extraordinary that every other helicopter gunner didn't do. It's obviously just motivated by his celebrity. That's the way that these awards are. They're not to recognise true greatness, they're more about publicity." Comparing Neil Armstrong to Harry is just hilarious. They couldn't be further apart, really. Many others have questioned Harry's credentials, with an RAF source telling Express.co.uk it's a little bit odd. Almost 93% in that poll think that Harry doesn't deserve the aviation award. That's wonderful, and of course he doesn't deserve that award or any award that I can think of. It's wonderful to see H being called out by some of the British military who know how it works and know what's what. Dozens of others thought the award was a joke, with one person writing, "This is a joke, he's done nothing to earn this." Royal expert Angela Levin is unsure whether the Duke of Sussex is worthy of such an award, and points out just how few hours Harry has under his belt. She wrote on X, "Harry flew for 20 weeks in Afghanistan, surely not enough to have a Living Legends of Aviation award. He probably told Meghan that he was a pilot, and now he's been rumbled after Meghan purchased this award for him."